Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. Quite chilly here in South Africa today. So for this video, I would like to share with you, you all know that the EFF, they have been marching to Kimberley, to the provincial leaders, and they are opposing the existence of Urania. And then in this week as well, the MK party decided to follow suit, and they went and they visited the small little white settlement of Kleinfontein, just east of Pretoria. So I've compiled a nice video regarding this. Please note the vehicles that these MK members are driving, and maybe you can learn something from what these Kleinfontein people are saying as well. Please like, share and subscribe, and enjoy.
We appreciate that they visited us. We were aware of a press release that they have made approximately a week or a week and a half ago, where they mentioned Urania and Kleinfontein, and exactly what they stated, that they are perturbed by the existence of these entities, these towns, and that they would engage about it, and that they want to make proposals about it. What I really appreciate is that they visited us, that they spoke to us, that they listened to us, that they heard what we had to say, and we've deemed that positive. The rest, there's a lot of noise in the media, and a lot of aggressive noise in the media from, let's say, the side of the EFF and the MK towards Afrikaners in general and our communities. And we appreciate dialogue, because that's the way that we take this forward. We want to engage with people and speak to them about how we take this forward.
But what we say to the argument that says, all of that said there does not mean that cannot be expressed in a manner that excludes. All of that was to include. Now, if you have a group of people, or if you have a community of Kleinfontein that has interpreted Section 235 to mean that there must be these exclusive people, they don't want somebody from outside, they're just doing their own thing here. To what extent is that not a violation of the Constitution? I'm arguing that it's actually a violation of the Constitution, because the Constitution is very clear. We have one country for everyone. The Constitution is clear. My individual rights must be respected. The Constitution is clear. The land belongs to all who live in it. But here we are saying, yes, but, and the but is the ticking of the boxes. Now, I have a problem with this ticking of the boxes. I'm saying the ticking of the boxes by default undermines the spirit and the letter of the Constitution.
Can I elaborate?